Hi guys, welcome back to another session of market analysis. So in yesterday's video about Bank Nifty, I was speaking about there is a good possibility it will come down towards this 48,100 levels because this is a very strong weak low because of global markets closing deeply in red. Bank Nifty itself has opened all the way below this weak low and it tested the buying tail from Jan 27. It got rejected and it started going upside, and it was a sideways market with a failed auction in D period. So for tomorrow, what you should be looking, I think today itself is a strong value area. So there is a possibility prices gets accepted above 48,200 levels. It might go for this imbalance level or the blue band towards 48,370 levels. These blue bands, they generally get tested out. So beyond that, these single prints, they act as very good resistance levels. So beyond that, don't expect much. So for any kind of again further down up move, you need to watch for 48,530 to 540 levels. Only then there could be a further up move because of this strong value, etc. But for me, it looks like a breakdown downside, and if there is a gap up, it's better to wait, let the market test this, and if there is a rejection, try to take a breakout downside of any 30-minute candle towards this area 48,050 levels, and good possibility of 48,000, which is the POC and value area low, the ledge area to 47,890 levels. So again, it might come down to 47,720 also. So this blue band area 48,370 to 48,480 levels, it is going to be very important tomorrow. If at all there is going to be another gap down, again that is going to be little bit trickier. So any huge gap downs, generally it follows a sideways market as it happened today. So this is with Bank Nifty, guys. Coming to Nifty, yesterday I was speaking about there is a ledge area around 22,435 levels. So what happened today, prices have opened below this ledge area. It is tested 6th March low and then it got rejected. So the opening itself is open test drive, it got accepted inside this 6th March value area. It started covering the whole value area. So this is the value area high. For tomorrow or day after tomorrow, in the coming days, what we should be looking is that if you look at the low itself, as the price is getting rejected at 6th March low, it formed a weak low. So these weak lows, they are very powerful price magnets which should not be ignored. Generally these weak lows or mechanical references, all these things, they get tested out within 3 to 5 days, but often you will see these prices getting revisited even sooner. So for tomorrow, you need to watch for 22,620 to 22,630 levels on any 15 to 30 minutes, because this is where the strong buying has come. So as the prices came down around these levels, if you look at, buyers are coming in and they are trying to take the Nifty upside. So unless prices gets accepted about 22,640 levels in futures, it is a sellers will try to come in. So any acceptance or sustaining above these levels, there is a possibility you will see the POC at 22,670 to 22,720 is possible. But again, if you look at call rating, there is a good amount of call rating at 22,600. You need to watch that area in spot. Let me also tell you, not only this weak low, and there is an imbalance which generally get tested out on 1 or 2 days itself. So never forget for tomorrow this, if there is a acceptance inside today's value area below 22,560 levels, it will likely come down to this ledge area 22,500, and it will likely again come down to 22,460 levels. It will also likely come down to this 22,360 levels in a couple of days. If at all again another strong gap down or anything is going to be there, that is going to be little bit trickier. There is a strong buying tail here. So this buying tail, they act as good demand zones. There is a possibility again like this up move might be there, and then the value itself will be lower low. So most of the people today also, if you look at, you might be thinking that the prices have gone up, but if you focus here, the value itself is lower low than the previous value area, and the POC and the closing is below this value area. So all these things tells you that it is still bearish. There is no bullishness as of now in the market, but at the same time, let me tell you, Nifty has to come down to 22,150 levels, and 21,800 is good possibility in the coming days. For any kind of confirmation of bottom, Nifty needs to sustain above this area. This is the area which I will be looking, 23,100 in future levels. So any sustaining above these levels, there is a possibility prices will likely go upside towards 23,400 levels, and second target would be somewhere around 23,700 to 23,900 levels. This is with Nifty, guys. If you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, click on the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.